Okay, let's start with alcohol, phenols and ether. In today's session we are going to see preparation methods of alcohol, phenol and ether, and after that I will take the structure of alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, so first we will see preparation, physical properties, and then we will see the structure of alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, uh, yes, so these are the 5 methods to prepare alcohol from different functional groups. Okay, so here first method is from alkyl halides. Now alkyl halides means that we are going to prepare alcohol ROH from RX. Okay, so this is nothing but from alkyl halide. So here from alkyl halide means this is alkyl halide and we are going to form alcohol, that is we will replace halide to the hydroxyl group. So this is nothing but preparation of alcohol from alkyl halides. Then by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Okay, that is from unsaturated hydrocarbon we can prepare alcohol by using two methods. One is acid catalyst of alkenes and next is the hydroboration oxidation of alkenes. Then by reduction of carbonyl compounds like aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, we can prepare alcohol. Then by addition of Grignard reagent we can prepare alcohol. So these are the generally methods by using we can prepare alcohol. Then there are some preparation of phenols also. Okay, so first we will see how to prepare alcohol from alkyl halide. Okay, so very first reaction or very first method to prepare alcohol from alkyl halide, this is alkyl halide reacts with aqueous NaOH. Okay, आता इथे aqueous NaOH आहे, here aqueous NaOH is there, and if you take alcoholic NaOH you will get alkene, you will not get alcohol. So if you want to prepare alcohol from alkyl halides you need to add aqueous solution of KOH or NaOH, you will get alcohol. So for example, if I have bromoethane or ethyl bromide, when ethyl bromide or bromoethane, any name you can take. Okay, when it reacts with aqueous solution of NaOH you will get ethanol. Okay, like this, if you have methyl chloride, when it reacts with aqueous solution of NaOH you will get methanol and NaCl. Okay, for example, now if I have 2-chloropropane, that is isopropyl chloride, if you have 2-chloropropane or isopropyl chloride, we can say when reacts with aqueous solution of NaOH we will get 2-propanol or isopropyl alcohol and plus NaCl. Now here instead of aqueous solution of NaOH you can take aqueous solution of KOH as well. Second method to prepare alcohol, that is acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Okay, that is when unsaturated hydrocarbon reacts with acid catalyst, means here you can take concentrated hydrochloric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid. When it reacts with the alkene it will form intermediate ethyl or alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and when it undergo hydrolysis means addition of water in presence of heat, we will get alcohol and H2SO4. So here we can say if we have carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene, reacts with HOSO3H, or you can write directly H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, it will form first ROSO3H, that is alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and further this alkyl hydrogen sulfate when reacts with water in presence of heat it will form alcohol plus H2SO4. So here two examples are here. Ethene when reacts with H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, it will form ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and when this intermediate ethyl hydrogen sulfate will undergo hydrolysis in presence of heat, we will get ethanol and H2SO4. Then when propene is reacting with H2SO4, it will form isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. It is further reacting with water, or it undergo hydrolysis, it will form 2-propanol. So however, whatever you are taking alkene here, you will get the product. Now if I have, okay, for example, if I have CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here I can write 1 2 3 4, 3 methyl butene. When this 3 methyl butene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will form. Now this methyl will be remain as it is. It will be 2-methyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, so, sorry, 2-methyl 1 2 3 4. So it is 2-methyl butyl hydrogen sulfate, and when it undergo hydrolysis reaction in presence of heat, we will get CH3, CH3, CHOH, CH3. So 1 2 3 4, we can write 3-methyl butane 2-ol. This is nothing but by acid catalyst hydration of alkene we can prepare alcohol. One more method to prepare alcohol by using alkene. Just wait for a moment. So here next method to prepare alcohol. Okay, now here this is the hydroboration oxidation of alkene. Okay, so in previous method we had discussed acid catalyst hydration of alkene. So in these two methods, by acid catalyst hydration of alkenes and second hydroboration oxidation of alkenes, in these two methods we are using two different reagents. Okay, here we used concentrated sulfuric acid. Here we are going to use diborane, that is B2H6. Okay, so when alkene treated with diborane, okay, it undergo addition reaction hydroboration to give trialkyl borane, and on further oxidation it gives hydrogen. In presence of hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium, it gives alcohol. Okay, so here addition of diborane to the alkene will be according to the anti-Markovnikov's hydration of alkene. So in this case, propene when reacts with diborane, propene reacts with diborane B2H6. So here B2H6 structure hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So this is the diborane B2H6. When it treated with propene, it will have tripropyl borane. Okay, tripropyl borane, which is the intermediate, and when this intermediate tripropyl borane when reacts with hydrogen peroxide in presence of hydroxyl ion, we will get propanol, and this is the side product. Okay, so this is nothing but about how we get the alcohol from alkene. Okay, so this is one example, and this is another example. Now yes, in your textbook they have given example of propene only to prepare propane 1-ol. Okay, so diborane reacts with alkene to give trialkyl borane, and as addition product, this is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. You will get alcohol. So this reaction is also given in your textbook. Okay, so this is textbook example, and this is example which I मी इथे जे लिहिलेलं आहे ते. सो दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ 1 ब्युटीन 1 2 3 4. दिस इज one in or one butene. When it treated with diborane, you will get tributyl borane first, and further it reacts with hydrogen peroxide, we will get butanol, and this is the side product. Okay, so this is nothing but about the hydroboration oxidation method. Okay, so this is nothing but the three methods by using we prepared alcohol. First method was from alkyl halides. आता ही जी reaction आहे from alkyl halides, we had discussed this reaction in chapter number 10, halogen derivatives or haloalkane, haloarine. Okay, in this chapter we had discussed chemical reactivity of alkyl halide. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन एक चार्ट होता. ओके, ज्याच्यामध्ये ॲक्वियस KOH, अल्कोहोलिक KOH किंवा ॲक्वियस NaOH, अल्कोहोलिक NaOH, त्याच्यानंतर वेगवेगळे न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स होते. ओके, सो त्या ज्या रिॲक्शन्स दिल्या होत्या त्यातली जी पहिली रिॲक्शन होती अल्काइल हलाइड व्हेन ट्रीटेड विथ ॲक्वियस सोल्युशन ऑफ NaOH, वी विल गेट अल्कोहोल. दिस इज द जनरल रिॲक्शन अँड बिलो दॅट these are the examples. Okay, so this is nothing but about first three methods to prepare the alcohol. Okay, now you can write these three methods to prepare alcohol, and remaining two methods we will see afterwards. ओजस, आर्यन, हे लिहून घ्यायचे. दिस इज फर्स्ट मेथड. एक मिनिट. दिस इज मेथड 1. मेथड 1, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. ओके, हे झाल्यानंतर सांगा पुढची मेथड लिहायची, त्याच्यानंतर थर्ड मेथड लिहायची, आणि मग आपण उरलेल्या दोन कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंडपासून अल्कोहोल बनवायचं आणि ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंट, ह्या दोन आपण काय करणार आहोत, बघणार आहोत. ओजस, तुला कळतंय की पुन्हा एकदा सांगू मी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल? हो, रेकॉर्ड केलेलं आहे मी. हां, ओके, फाईन. आपण अल्कोहोल आणि फेनॉलचं प्रिपरेशन आधी अल्कोहोलच्या मेथड्स बघू, मग फेनॉलच्या मेथड्स बघू, आणि आपण स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्कोहोल फेनॉल पण बघणार आहोत, आणि मग फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. सो ह्या चॅप्टरमध्ये अल्कोहोल फेनॉल मी एक पार्ट बनवला आहे आणि इथर जो आहे तो एक पार्ट बनवला आहे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल थिंग्स अबाउट द अल्कोहोल अँड फेनॉल, अँड देन वी विल मूव्ह टुवर्ड्स द इथर. KOH पण वापरू, KOH आणि NaOH ह्या दोघांपैकी काही पण वापरू शकता. पण मग इथे हलाइड सोबत इथे मग K येणार. इफ यू टेक KOH aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide you will get KX, that is potassium halide instead of sodium halide. You can take any alkyl halide here. Okay, not necessary always you have to take methyl chloride, ethyl bromide. You can take secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide, anything. Okay, but the reactivity order, tertiary is more reactive than secondary alkyl halide and then primary alkyl halide. So you can take any alkyl halide, no problem. झालं. Second, by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Acid catalyzed, whenever the word acid catalyzed is there, you have to take either concentrated hydrochloric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, either one. Okay, so when alkene treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, you will get first intermediate like alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and when it further undergo hydrolysis reaction. So what is the hydrolysis reaction? Hydrolysis reaction म्हणजे ॲडिशन ऑफ वॉटर, बट देअर विल बी कंडिशन्स आर डिफरंट. कधी कधी कोल्ड कंडिशनमध्ये असतात, कधी कधी हॉट कंडिशनमध्ये असतात. ओके, सो टेम्परेचर व्हॅरी रिॲक्शन टू रिॲक्शन. So here when intermediate undergo hydrolysis reaction, at room temperature or temperature will required more than room temperature. So here alcohol we will get and hydrogen sulfuric acid as a byproduct. Okay, so this is the example of ethene, propene, and this is one more example. कुठे? इथे इथे अनसॅच्युरेटेड. हां, ओ ट्रँगल हीट ट्रँगल. हां, ओ एल नाही, H2O आणि कंडिशन लिहायचे ना, म्हणून ऑब्लिक आणि हीट असं. हां, आता हे खाली पण लिहू शकते ॲक्च्युली मी. बरं झालं सांगितलंच, म्हणजे इथे कन्फ्युजन नको व्हायला. आता इरेज पण नाही होते, पण खाली लिहू शकतोस तू ट्रँगल. ओके, एल नहीं है ये, स्लैश है रे, ऐसा टेढ़ा स्लैश है ये. हॅलो, हां दिव्या, मी लेक्चरमध्ये तुला थोड्या वेळाने फोन करू का? हां, एक 1:30 वाजेपर्यंत करते, माझं 1:30ला संपेल लेक्चर. हां 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 हां. हो हो हो. 12 तारखेला, 12 तारखेला. फॉ फॉर्म टू अपडेट करावा लागेल. मी 1:30 वाजता करते प्लीज फोन. हां हां हां. हां, ॲक्च्युली मी हे करत होते, फोन आला होता मला ॲडमिशनसाठी, पण मी तो उचलला तसंच. हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्किन्स. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये सगळीच थेअरी लिहिली पाहिजे असं काही नाही आहे. ओके, थेअरी पण खूप कमी आहे ॲक्च्युली ही. सो यू कॅन राईट दीज 2 पॉईंट्स. हां, तू तुझ्या भाषेत आहे ना. Okay, reaction. इथे बोरॉन डायबोरेनचं स्ट्रक्चर, एक सेकंड. डन. ओके, कुठे इथे ब्यूटवनी डायबोरेन B2H6, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH BOH thrice. Done. Okay, fine. Now the fourth method. Okay. Fourth method, by reduction of aldehydes and ketones and by reduction of carboxylic acid. So here generally we are going to reduce carbonyl bond from the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, which are the carbonyl groups. Okay. So first we will see how to reduce the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So very first method, reduction of aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes can be reduced in presence of H2, that is addition of hydrogen, in presence of catalyst nickel, okay, or lithium aluminum tetrahydrate to give primary alcohol. Now you have to remember that when aldehyde undergo reduction, it will form primary alcohol. जेव्हा अल्डिहाइडचं रिडक्शन होतं तेव्हा आपल्याला कंपल्सरी प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलच मिळतात. जेव्हा कीटोनचं रिडक्शन होतं तेव्हा कंपल्सरी आपल्याला सेकंडरी अल्कोहोलच मिळतात. ओके, so this is the very important thing that you have to remember. When this aldehyde undergo reduction, what is the meaning of reduction? That is addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel and palladium. In presence of heat we will get primary alcohol. And when aldehyde undergo reduction reaction in presence of lithium aluminum tetrahydride, in presence of hydronium ion, we will get primary alcohol. So we can use these two different types of reagents to prepare the alcohol. Okay, so here when aldehyde like acetaldehyde react with rhenium nickel in presence of temperature 413 Kelvin, we will get ethanol. Okay, this is the first example how aldehyde undergo reduction reaction. Then ketone, when it undergo reduction reaction either in presence of hydrogen or nickel catalyst or palladium catalyst or lithium aluminum tetrahydride and hydronium ion, it will form secondary alcohol. So example, if we have acetone, when acetone undergo reduction reaction in presence of Raney nickel and heat, we will get propane 2-ol or 2-propanol. So this is nothing but about the reduction reaction of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, here instead of acetaldehyde you can take any other aldehyde and form respected alcohol. Same thing here, instead of acetone you can take any other ketone and you will get respected alcohol. Okay, so this is nothing but about the reduction of aldehydes and ketone. आता ह्याच्याशिवाय एक्सक्यूज मी दुसरे कोणते तुम्ही हे वापरू शकता रिएजंट, तर सोडियम बोरॉन टेट्राहायड्रेट NaBH4 हा सुद्धा तुम्ही काय करू शकता, रिएजंट वापरू शकता फॉर रिडक्शन पर्पज. बेसिकली इथे लक्षात काय ठेवायचं आहे, when aldehyde undergo reduction you will get primary alcohol, when ketones undergo reduction you will get secondary alcohol. This is the main 2 points that you have to keep in mind. Now reduction of carboxylic acid, obviously carboxylic acid also contain carbonyl group with hydroxyl group, and when it undergo reduction it will form alcohol. So reducing agent here lithium aluminum tetrahydride hydronium ion, this is the reducing agent, and when this carboxylic acid undergo reduction it will form alcohol. Okay, so when acetic acid undergo reduction reaction lithium aluminum tetrahydride and hydronium ion, it will form ethyl alcohol or primary alcohol. Okay, so this is the reduction of carboxylic acid. Now last method to prepare alcohol by using Grignard reagent. Now Grignard reagent, here you can take aldehyde or you can take ketone. When aldehydes or ketones reacts with Grignard reagent, it can form different types of alcohol. Okay, so here when now this is carbonyl group. Okay, so here I will write when aldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, it can form either primary or secondary alcohol. Okay, and when ketone reacts with Grignard reagent, it will form tertiary alcohol. Okay, so here Grignard reagent, when if we have the aldehydes, okay, for example here aldehyde is there, formaldehyde or acetaldehyde, it reacts with Grignard reagent. Always remember that when we will use Grignard reagent, the solvent used is dry ether and we will get adduct or we can say intermediate, and when this intermediate undergo hydrolysis reaction in presence of hydronium ion, we will get alcohol. Okay, so this is nothing but about the how we can add Grignard reagent to aldehyde. Okay, so here if we have the formaldehyde and reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, Grignard reagent. In presence of dry ether, we will get complex or intermediate or adduct. Okay, and when it further undergo acid, hydrogen hydrolysis or acid hydrolysis, we will get alcohol plus byproduct. Okay, so this is the reaction between the formaldehyde methyl magnesium iodide, that is Grignard reagent. In presence of dry ether, we will get the complex or intermediate, and when this intermediate undergo hydrolysis reaction, we will get alcohol. Okay, so this is nothing but about the how we get alcohol by using Grignard reagent treated with aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so here we have done with the preparation of alcohol from all methods, that is from alkyl halides, from alkene, that is unsaturated hydrocarbon, and reduction of carbonyl compounds. Okay, so here just wait for a moment.